Let's talk about hear and listen. Hear means to just become aware of something with your ear. So this is a more passive action because sounds are just coming into your ear and you're hearing them. For example, you could say, I hear the traffic outside, or I can hear the television in the next room. When you listen, you're actually paying attention to someone or something so that you can hear the message, right? So this is a more active experience. You're actually focusing in on what you're hearing. For example, you could say, I'm listening to music, or shh, I'm trying to listen to the teacher. Sometimes you might get a little confused because a person could ask you something like, hey, have you heard that new podcast? Even though we think of, if I'm hearing a podcast, I'm listening to it. This is just the way we say it. You would answer, yeah, I've heard it, or yeah, I listen to it all the time. That's it for hear and listen. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.